I know I look hideous, but we're gonna be doing a hair review today. We're going to be reviewing Dream Beauty. So I bought 13 by 3. Not 13 by 3. This is a 20-inch. Fuck it. So I got this wig from AliExpress from Dream Beauty. So it got all her stuff right here, and then it got the directions on the back, and then boom. So in this box, it comes with a wig and a wig cap. Okay. So with this, I'm gonna be taking my sew-in down. So y'all gonna have to like, you know, help a nigga out. So the reason why I decided to get a wig, y'all, is because of the fact that, look at this. This is thin as fuck. My hair ain't this fucking short. Oh, but you know, life is life. You go through your phases of life. And I'm so over sew-ins. I'm so over glue-ins. I'm so over all this shit. I'm over it. I'm over it all. So your girlfriend will be getting a motherfucking wig. So I'll come back once I finish taking this down. Then I'm just gonna part this leave out in the middle, cause I'm not gonna do no more braids. Like this shit haven't even been up a month. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna part your girl down in the middle with a wire comb, or however you say it. Like that. So I got some Glueless knot right here, y'all. You ain't gotta do all that. Something like that. Yep. You know, this is my first time using this shit, so I don't really know. You know? I don't know. So I'm gonna take this and put it on your edges. Slick that shit back, sis. Slick it back. Slick back. Slick this down. Slick that down. I'm just that bitch, so this is what we gonna do. Slick, slick. Like that. So I guess I'll use the wig cap they gave me. Whatever, so we gonna use the wig cap they gave me. Oh, they gave us 2. I'm gonna need 1, so yeah, I guess I need 1. I'm not sure if I need 1 or 2. Got that. You gonna use more Glueless knot. Lay this shit down. Just cause I'm just that bitch. So shut up. Kill yourself. Alright, please. Do people use Glueless knot for this? I'm not sure. I am not sure if people use Glueless knot to lay this shit down. I'm not sure. No, shut up. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta cut holes here. Alright, y'all. Oh, I got lines in my thing. Alright. So this is gonna lay flat like that. We gonna let this shit dry, cause I'm just that bitch. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I don't think this dry, but I'm still cutting because I'm just that bitch, like I said. And I got some concealer to y'all, please don't judge me because this is my first time doing my wig, and yeah, so y'all better love me the way I am, or we're gonna have a problem. This is what we gonna put oh yeah, so we finna open the wig. Here goes the wig. Y'all, so this the wig right here. Period. So this how it look. I got a little highlight right here, y'all. stop and slick down, bitch. Right there. As y'all can see, it's a lace front. This is how it looks on the inside. So once this shit right here dries, cause this shit right here getting on my motherfucking nerves. Hopefully it looks good on me, cause y'all know how I am. Y'all know this wig is a little too fucking tight. Okay. Why does this wig look like that, y'all? Okay. I think I'm gonna pluck it a little bit. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, y'all. So this is what the wig look like, y'all. And we got shedding. Yeah, just a little bit. It's not a lot. It's not a lot of shedding, y'all. Y'all. This is so much better using a damn brush. Damn. I love my wig. I like my wig. This my wig, y'all. I got a wig. Okay, y'all, so this my first wig. No cap. And am I in love? Yes. The fuck, bitch? I'm in love as fuck. Yeah, I want to pluck it. But yeah, y'all, this is my conclusion on this wig, though, y'all. It is the motherfucking bomb. Okay, y'all. So I'm done. Done for this wig. Alright, y'all. So, how y'all like the wig? Let me give y'all a 360. 360. 270. 180. Alright, so this is the wig. This is the finished look. I got the edges, I got the hair, I got the curls, because I'm that bitch, period. It's long too, look. I'm just playing, I'm gonna stop. But yeah, this right here is a 4.5 8.8 only because of the shedding. Other than that, it's good. Like, it's pretty. That's if y'all bitches get it. But yeah, so our Dream Beauties links will be in the description below. And I just hope y'all like this wig, because I like it. I'm in love with it, and that's how we go. That's all to it. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all gonna be seeing this wig because this is my new favorite wig. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on y'all post notifications. And yeah, I hope y'all like this wig because I'm just that bitch. And see y'all in the next video though. Bye.